Hey guys, so I am back today with a review. Finally, I'm doing a review on this channel because this channel is not only for reselling videos, it's also for reviews. So if I own something or I have the ability to buy it, I'm going to review it. All right, and so today's review is on Tiesta Tea Filters. Now I am a serious tea drinker. I drink tea every day and I'm always looking for accessories to make my tea drinking better and, you know, more of an experience. So anyway, I found these tea filters at my local Food Lion for about $4, and I wanted to try them out because they look a little different from other tea filters I've seen. So I'm going to show you how I use these tea filters, and I'll tell you at the end how I like them. Here we go. Review of these tea filters is that I really like them. I feel like the tea is able to seep through the holes very evenly. It leaves no tea leaves behind, so you have a clean cup of tea. I also think it's easy to use. It has a simple fold over design. I'll show you the back of the packaging. It tells you some other ways that you can fold over the top or twist the top to keep the tea from leaking out, but I just fold it over and I've never had an issue with the tea leaves coming out. And I also think the capacity is really nice. I definitely can see you filling like maybe 2 or 3 cups of tea as well using the same filter because it does seem to hold a lot of loose tea. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that review. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'm hoping to put up more reviews soon. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.